Startups are the embodiment of innovation and agility, but their success hinges on the ability to navigate the unpredictable. Enter project management, the compass that guides these ventures through the tumultuous early stages. It's not just about setting goals and deadlines. It's about creating a roadmap for success, allowing startups to adapt swiftly and seize opportunities. From inception to completion, a project manager is the linchpin that holds all the moving parts together. They're the strategists working behind the scenes, ensuring resources are allocated efficiently, risks are mitigated, and every team member is rowing in the same direction. Without them, projects risk spiraling out of control, both in scope and budget. In the bustling world of startups, time is a currency, and project management is the bank. It's the framework that keeps everyone aligned, ensuring tasks are completed on time and communication flows seamlessly. It's not just about keeping the train on the tracks. It's about enhancing the quality of the service or product, a critical factor for startups where every detail counts. Despite its importance, project management in startups isn't without its hurdles. Founders often focus more on the product than its management, and the flat organizational structures can blur lines of responsibility. Yet, with a flexible approach and a commitment to defining roles, startups can overcome these challenges and embed project management into their DNA. Best practices in startup project management are ever evolving. A customer-centric approach, a willingness to embrace failure, and a commitment to continuous learning are paramount. Assembling a synergistic team, securing funding, and maintaining a vision to change the world are all part of the project management playbook for startups. As the startup landscape grows, so does the need for project management that can pivot at a moment's notice. Agile and lean methodologies are popular among startups for their ability to adapt and minimize waste. The key is to keep learning and improving, as stagnation is tantamount to failure in the startup world. A well-crafted business plan, a detailed project management plan, and the right tools are essential resources for startups. Sometimes, bringing in a professional project manager is necessary to steer the ship, ensuring that projects are executed efficiently and goals are met. A project manager's role is multifaceted. They shape ideas, build and lead teams, track progress, and solve problems. They're the architects of the project's blueprint and the captains of the team, ensuring that every project milestone is a step towards the startup's ultimate vision.